Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? So guys, we usually think that summer is the time when our hair gets really damaged because we sweat a lot because of the sun, etc. But no, that's not true. It's monsoon season that really damages your hair. So today I'm here to help you and to also give you a few tips on how to take care of your hair during monsoon. So let's start. So guys, tip number 1, shampooing. So you might just go out, get wet in the rain intentionally or unintentionally. But guys, please remember that rainy water is really bad for your hair. It's dirty, it has a lot of acids which will damage your hair. So just remember that as soon as you get home, the first thing that you have to do is shampoo your hair. And because of rainy season, you might have to shampoo your hair quite a lot of times. So also remember to use a nice mild shampoo because you'll be shampooing a lot during this season. So always remember to shampoo. Tip number 2, conditioning. So guys, now that you've shampooed your hair, you obviously have to condition your hair because your hair will become really dry and frizzy. So always remember to use a really nice conditioner. Tip number 3, using a nice hair serum. The one that I use is this argan Moroccan oil. So just take a little bit of serum and just apply it at the ends. Tip number 4, hairstyling. So guys, please don't use a lot of hair products, don't do all those crazy hairstyles. Just leave your hair loose, or if you have really long hair like mine, just tie it into a nice loose ponytail or a top knot bun or something like that. Tip number 5, hair oiling. Guys, it's really important because this season will really damage your hair a lot, and hair oiling will hydrate your hair, it will condition your hair, it will really help your hair grow. So it's very important to oil your hair. So just take some hair oil and apply it. Just massage your hair like really well. Just leave your hair for an hour or 2 and wash your hair. Also remember, don't apply a lot of oil. Just about 1 or 2 spoons of oil is really good, because then you will end up shampooing your hair a lot and that will again damage your hair. So this is how I take care of my hair during monsoon, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Eat well, sleep well, take care of your hair, give it a lot of love, and hit the like button, and also comment in the section down below. I will see you soon guys. Bye.